The Pittsburgh Food Bank that distributes 27 million pounds of food per year turned to Powered Aire for help when conditions in their cold storage facility impacted workers' safety and cut down efficiency. The facility's 4-inch thick, bi-parting cold storage doors cover two 8-foot wide by 10-foot high openings at the warehouse end of a busy -9-degree freezer room. The doors, mounted on the ambient side, only stay open for 10 seconds at a time, but are frequently cycled when workers on motorized pallet jacks stock and retrieve donor food. Plastic strip curtains were used in conjunction with the doors, but were far from an ideal solution. The large temperature difference from the ambient warehouse to sub-zero freezer caused so much fog to develop inside the opening and frost to build up on the strips that workers could no longer see through, requiring them to honk their pallet jack horn when approaching the openings. The icy strips would drag across both goods and workers and eventually became brittle and broke off. The ice did not let the doors seal properly, and the floor outside the doors were so wet that slippery when wet signs were necessary despite constant mopping. Powered Aire solved these safety issues by installing its model Freezer Aire electrically heated stainless steel air curtain over each door. Freezer Aire is designed to work in conjunction with all types of cold storage doors. When the door is open, normal air density exchange takes place. The warm air enters through the top half of the door opening, while the heavier cold air flows out the bottom half of the door. Once the warm air enters the freezer, it condenses and creates the frost and ice typically found on the door header, wall, and ceilings in these types of applications. You can see fog forming when the door is opened and the air curtain is turned off. When the air curtain is on, the warm air is entrained into the air curtain stream and driven to the floor where most of the warm air is forced back into the warm air side, minimizing the amount of warm air that enters the freezer. What air is mixed and goes into the freezer is treated with heat to reduce the condensing right inside the freezer. With the air curtain on, you can see that the door opening is clear and the condensation problem is greatly reduced. We turn the air curtain off, and you can see the warm air entering the freezer. However, when the air curtain is turned on, you can see the warm air and condensation is reduced. The end result was an improvement in safety, increase in productivity, and a reduction of frost and ice in their freezer. One of the unit's unique performance features is Powered Aire's plenum design. A custom plenum inside each unit assures an even airflow across the full width and length of the door opening. Other manufacturers point their blowers down, resulting in dead spots where each motor is located. This allows warm air to flow into the freezer, defeating the purpose of an air curtain. Powered Aire offers a wide range of mounting configurations designed to work with all types of doors. Powered Aire curtains are durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction with direct drive motors, which means these air curtains will protect the food bank's doors for years to come, while enhancing the facility's LEED certified green status.